Hello everyone. So in this lecture I am going to display the model's response. So the step number 4, let me show you. And here let me mention display the model's response. And simply you have to use print and f and model's response, and here you have to use this variable. So just copy this variable and put it in the curly bracket, and let me save, and I'm going to execute my script. Hello. And still you can see that I'm getting nothing. It is showing none. So where is the problem? Now coming back here, this is my main script, and here this is my model, and this model is to invoke the Bedrock model. Okay, I got the problem. Where is the problem? So here we need to define a variable where this response is going to be saved. So let me put data is equal to, and the variable name is response here. Just copy this one and paste, and simply just use return and data. So this is what you have to do it here, and click on save. Now again I am going to execute my script. Hello. So finally we have received the response from the model, and this response is like a Python dictionary which is having the key name and its value, and we need to focus on this key, that is body. So basically if you have type hello or tell a joke, so your model is going to respond, and your actual response is inside this body key. So we have to extract this key, that is body. So we have to do some changes in our main script, that is aws_bedrock.py. So that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.